Hey, hello boys and girls, this is Mohit Agarwal here. A lot of students are asking, sir, how and when the examinations of CMA December 21 are going to be held. So let me tell you, CA exams are already scheduled from 5th of December to 28th of December. Now, December 21 examinations cannot be held in the 4 days. So there is no chance at all. Okay. And then CS exams are scheduled immediately from the next day, 21st December to 30th December. And Institute of Company Secretaries of India has also reserved 4 days as reserve days, so that if any mishap happens, then 31st December to 3rd January, they have also booked. CS Institute is already booked as reserve day. So CMA exams December 21 cannot happen before 4th of January for the reasons that I have just told you now. Okay, so plan your studies accordingly. All the best. Do subscribe the channel so that you receive all the notification and press the bell icon also. Okay, thank you. Lots of love. Share this video with all and keep showering your love on me, and I'll reciprocate much love to you in the same manner through my educational videos and content. Lots of love. Stay strong. Thank you. Bye-bye.